Yo, what's up, guys? Always remember to hit that subscribe button. So today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing video because I have been getting into drawing recently and I'm having so much fun with it. But today I am going to be reviewing this Huion Drawing Tablet. So here, this is how it came, and it also came with this little like a carrying case or something. So I'm just gonna unwrap it quick. Alright, so it's just got a little button. You put it in here. It's actually pretty nice. It looks nice. It looks like you've got a little pocket here. Maybe you put your pen or your spare nibs or something. And then it came with this cleaning kit, as it says here. And it just has these like gloves, this little like brush thing, and a little wiper, as you see here. Gloves, brush thing, wiper. Alright, so now let's get right into the main thing, the Huion Tablet. I'm really excited, actually. So this is so cheap for a tablet, which is really nice, especially if you're just starting off, which I am. I've never drawn with like a tablet or anything on a computer, so I'm really excited. It has 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity, which I'm pretty sure is just the basic kind of levels for a tablet like this. So I'm just gonna open it up, and it looks super nice. The tablet's right here. The pen, I'm just gonna unwrap this first. So we've got the pen. So the pen comes looking beauteous. We got like these little buttons, the nib, the little clicker for on and off. Alright, so we've got that. And then, obviously, we have the tablet, which looks lovely. And then it's just got these three little buttons. Alright, it's quite small, as you can see, but that can also be nice if you're taking it around somewhere or you just need to store it. Plus, if you're just doing like, if you're just starting off, I don't think you need a huge one. And then we take this out, and we have the cord for it, which is USB. It comes with a battery, which I believe is for the pen. We have extra nibs for if they are worn down in this little ring thing, this ring looking thing, which takes the nibs out. And then we have here, so that's the box is empty, and then we have this, which this is the driver for this, and I mean, I don't know who has a thing for DVD players, but they give you that, and then it's just a user manual, and that's it in the box. Alright, so now I'm just going to set it up real quick, and I will come back and we'll test it. Alright guys, so I have been using this for a little while now, and it is so much fun. It's great, it's quite easy to use, you know. I just downloaded the driver off of the website, the Huion website, and you've just got everything there, and it works great, and I'm gonna have so much fun using this. And there may be some drawing videos coming up, so watch out for those. I've had so much fun with this. It's great, it's affordable, it's good if you're just starting like me. I've never used one of these before, and it works great. It's got everything that I need just to start. I mean, I am impressed, and I am so happy and excited to make art with this. So, hope you enjoyed watching this. Make sure to like and subscribe for art videos, gaming, more unboxings maybe. I'll see you guys later. Bye! Bye!